Thank you all for everyone here. So I'm Rezwan Siddiqui from Dhaka. I work at the universities. So I am living in Dhaka for my whole life, and like it was my birthplace. So to me, it is the best place on earth. But unfortunately, like we have been ranked the least livable cities, like one of the least livable cities in the last couple of years. So very unfortunate for that. Melbourne is like they're like one of the best. So, but so it's already said like hard to plan and harder to implement, like if it's really hard, and there are like a couple of reasons that already mentioned by several researchers, like it's overpopulation and poor development practices, like copying the development practices from other cities and regions, and then of course the climate change issues and lack of awareness and the capacity of the population. So in this context, I'm focusing on the SDG 13.3, which is actually improve education, raising awareness, and human and institutional capacity building on climate change issues. So Dhaka is like extreme climate change vulnerability. It has like because of the geographical location and also the fact of like the increasing climate change migrants from the coastal areas, and there's already said like lack of awareness and capacity to tackle the climate change, and also the another issue, the unattractiveness of climate change educations. I teach at universities, and most of the private universities in Bangladesh don't have any programs focusing on environment and climate change. Some of them, most of the private public universities have, but it's not deemed as a profitable program to run. So it's really hard to know that the youth don't have the awareness needed to tackle the issues. And in this context, we started a project which is called SDG Lab. We do trainings and workshops for the youths, particularly at the universities. So it's a day-long trainings and workshops. We focus on in SDG, particularly on climate change and environment issues. So the thing is, we approached several universities, and we did training at 4 universities in Dhaka and 6 coastal cities also. So the outcome is really attractive. Like right now we have been approached by several other universities to do the similar training for them. The reason may be because we don't take any profit or money or anything like that. It's all voluntary. So we go with other experts from NGOs or maybe other university lecturers or professors. So they go there, they facilitate the whole training for the students, and these students mostly they're from the like non-environmental background, like they're studying law, English, or mathematics, or physics, chemistry, other things. So it seems attractive for them, and they're really interested. So the outcome we are focusing on right now, as these youths will be in the workforce from 5 to 6 years now, they will do jobs, they will be in the government, they will do business. At least we are hoping that they will be aware of the SDGs issues, and they will practice the sustainable practices in their business, in their jobs, whenever and wherever they are. And we think that that's one of the main way to achieve SDGs. Thank you all.